Televidente, bem-vindo a outra edição de TimeOut. Agora em TimeOut temos um grande honor de junto conosco, nos long distance runner, female, campeão aqui na Aruba, Lana Gobert, com quem nós vamos conversar durante o TimeOut já. Agora nós vamos TimeOut corto, que se queremos bem back, nós estamos conversando com Lana Gobert. Televidente, danke por quedando conosco. Nós estamos com Lana Gobert, nos long distance runner campeão feminino que nós temos aqui na Aruba. Lana, good afternoon.
Hello, hello. How are you?
Nice to see you again, Lana. Look, Lana, what is your upcoming long distance competition?
The long distance is October 8th, Chicago Marathon. And just recently, a couple days ago, I got news that I'm invited to the World Championship, Ironman World Championship in Kona. And it's on October 14th. So those two events in October.
So you have 3 events in October, but
Two.
Two, okay. Let's talk about the Chicago Marathon is also in October?
Yes, it's on October 8th, and it will be my 5th major marathon.
Okay. And the Ironman?
Ironman is on October 14th.
Wow! How are you going to do that?
I'm going to train hard for it and hope for the best.
You know, it's a complete different mindset for the Ironman. It's running, swimming, and biking. You got to be prepared.
Yes, you know, last time when I did Ironman, the swimming is hard, but you go through it, and then on the bike course, I was mentally telling myself, I'm biking towards the start of the marathon. That's just a warm up, and you have to take it stage by stage.
The Chicago Marathon is the first time? No.
Chicago Marathon, yes, it's my first time, but I have to do it because I'm also qualified for the age group championship during the Chicago Marathon, and I just simply have to go and do it.
What time did you do it last time? Your last marathon, what time did you run?
No, my best marathon to time is still 2 hours 54 minutes. Last year, my best time was 3 hours 2 minutes, and this year I ran Atlanta in 3 hours 7 minutes.
Okay, I see.
So
Look, I know you very good. So it's becoming. Let's put it this way: you gotta put more time in it to get to the level you want.
yes, it's more time, more training, more mental work, more strength work, everything a little bit more, and you have to really be disciplined about it, if you want to do it well.
Correct. What is the toughest one?
I think the toughest one is the full Ironman because it's so long. Last
No.
time I did it in 10 hours, 30 minutes, and it's It's really a long time, when you have to push your body.
I know that. I know that. But my question was dedicated on you and your preparation. When do you say, caramba, it's becoming tough?
Um, like, what's the toughest discipline to train,
Yes,
or
yes, yes.
I don't think so. I don't think in terms of that. You have your training plan, you have your goal, and you just dedicate yourself to it. And
Okay.
like every step, you're tired, but you have to recover. The difficult part, I guess, is to not to overdo it, is to balance it. For
But
me,
you still in perfect condition. What I'm hearing from you.
uh, because it just started. It's like 12 weeks to Chicago, and I just finished like the first week of training, and I'm still full of optimism, and I'm still full of energy, and it's really just the beginning
Nice.
of the journey. Like, I think if we talk in 10 weeks, when I'll be already, putting more hours in the training, maybe I'll sound a little more tired.
Nice, nice, nice. Televidente, que lo soy timeout cortica, sin que los invito a los demás. Lana Gobert, los campeones di distancia largo femenino.
Welcome to Holland. Welcome to the country of the world's most famous cows. This is where your Frisian flag milk comes from. Taste our nature at its best. Frisian flag. Discover the goodness of milk from Holland.
Junto con Lana Gobert, los campeón de corredor de distancia largo femenino aquí en Aruba. Lana, do you enjoy what you're doing?
I do enjoy it very much, and I think if you don't enjoy it, you won't be able to do it with that repetition, or you won't be able to put that amount of hours in it. Like, every time you train. Training is not an obligation; it's something that you choose to do, and you enjoy doing it. I do it. I enjoy it.
Wow.
Of course, there are some times when I'm too tired, or when I'm not in the mood. But then when you are in it, the enjoyment comes back.
I have seen you. You have a daughter or a son also running with you, training with you.
No, my daughter,
Uh-huh.
my daughter is a very good runner, and I think in a few years she'll be passing me up on the 5K or 10K. She's getting really fast. Right now she's 11 years old, and she is the head. Like, she's the best in her age category, and she has the national ranking of the youth, not the youth, the kids.
Kids.
She's the kids champion overall. Uh-huh.
Yes, yes. Does she have the iron mentality that you have?
I think she is as tough, and I think watching me helps her. And I think in her mind, I think she wants to beat me, and she wants to be best. She wants to
Okay.
be better. And that's why she's always, pushing.
Uh,
And it makes me really happy to see that when she does it and when she enjoys it too.
you know that will happen if she continues the way she's going. That she will beat you will happen in the future. But she's still young. She still has to improve in a lot of ways.
Yes, I still have about 5 years, I think.
Yeah, so you
But
can.
life will show.
Yes, yes. It's nice to see you both raising. Let's say your first 5K together, your first 10K together would be nice.
We did first the 5K. We do 5K every year at KLM Marathon. And this year we did it, and Emma won third overall.
Oh,
She went on, yes, and because I wanted to race it as the like, time out with my child, right? But my child wanted to race, and when she started running hard, and I was not prepared for it, and I was behind her and thinking, if she wins me on this, it will be so crazy if she runs away from me. So I was fighting the first half of the race. I was fighting to keep up with her. Yes.
oh, that is nice to hear. And
Yeah.
I imagine she was very proud.
Yes, it was very nice moment to see her go on the podium, And now we have because and the next day I was running half marathon, and I was thinking I need to win it so I can have a bigger trophy, and she has a smaller trophy, and it will be like mother daughter trophies.
Yes, yes, it is nice, but those are, we call that priceless moments.
Yes, exactly, exactly. It's creating memories, and it's priceless indeed.
Wow, wow, wow. In Dutch, they say, the apple valt niet ver van de boom. The apple doesn't
Exactly.
fall too far from the tree. And in your case, I think your daughter has it. We must bring,
Yes,
you must bring her
I have.
once to timeout.
Yes, we shall.
Yes, it's nice. It's nice to talk with her because I, I, I imagine she adores you.
Yeah, I hope so.
No, no, no. Why? Otherwise, she wouldn't be racing.
That's true. That's true. But it's important to be a good example for your child, right?
Yes.
It's easy for your child to follow, and when you do it yourself, and when you enjoy it, it's easier for them to see what, how wonderful it can be, actually.
Fantastic. Look, let's switch to the Ironman because um, are you gonna be prepared? Look, you have 6 days to be prepared after the marathon.
No, so basically, right now, I will have to adjust my training plan. Of course, I will add more biking. I will add more swimming to it, and I will treat my Chicago Marathon as a. It will be what it has to be, a pre-run, and then rest for the 6 days, and then go again.
Nice, 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 tremendo. Look, um, I look forward to see you and your daughter race 5 or 10K. It would be nice to have her. It would be nice to have her in timeout also because I think she's a star in the making.
That's exactly, yeah. That's a good way to put it. A star in the making.
Yes.
And to start young, right? When you start young, imagine all the training, all the intervals, all the speed that she already has in her, and with years to come, she'll be able to become faster and stronger. And it's an it's a amazing journey, to watch and to see. And I'm very curious to see what she's capable of.
Great, great, great. Televidente, wow. Mama for you. De appel valt niet ver van de boom, want het is nog Holandees. Lana Gobert, el nostro corredor, nos representante máximo de distancia en largo, também corre maratón, dia 8, maratón de Chicago, dia 8 de outubro, e dia 14 também corre Ironman. Wow, incrível. Pero ya, ela demonstrou assim no passado, porque é uma pessoa que te perseverar e não te give up, Jilly hate tampouco, Deus. Mas wait, espero que gosto bom. Lana, all the best for your upcoming events from the Chicago Marathon and the Ironman event because we expect a lot from you.